Hi there traders and investors, today is the 6th of June, Thursday. I'm glad to greet you online and share a regular market review prepared for InstaForex. Yesterday there were two trading ideas, one of which was worked out quite successfully. Let us first focus on the macroeconomic calendar. The European Central Bank will announce its key rate decision, which will be followed by a press conference, and the United States will issue its unemployment claims figures. Notably, the US non-farm report, which is slated for release tomorrow, is one of the main events of the week. On the trading chart, we see the gold prices managed to cross the levels we predicted. We had a bullish trading idea, which was profitably worked out. As for the euro-dollar pair, yesterday we bet on a breakout. However, the asset closed the day with a pin bar, which could be considered capture of liquidity by a bullish trend. What is more, it's better to develop a breakout strategy on the daily chart. The euro is falling amid the ECB meeting and press conference. That is why it will be wise to remain cautious. The Australian dollar is trading sideways ahead of the key rate decision. For your reference, almost no asset has its own trend. They all depend on the US dollar. I still believe that the Australian dollar will climb to 0.69. Thus, I expect a drop and a jump to a record high. The dollar-yen pair is still hovering at a high swing. It means that the previous trend ended, and the pair pulled back. These are good points for opening short orders. Those who sold from the high swing have already closed some positions with a profit. From a technical point of view, the greenback should drop amid US non-farm payrolls, thus allowing for the formation of the third wave. Meanwhile, silver reached new highs and dropped to the mirror level. That's all I wanted to tell you today. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.